Hi guys, this is Sadek from Dotwin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to fake or spoof your current GPS live location on your Android phone. So currently I'm in New Delhi, India, and I'll be spoofing my location to two places. First off, I'll show you how to go to US, and then we'll be taking a trip to UK. So on that note, let's get started. First and foremost, you have to route your phone by Magisk. I have made a guide on the same. You could refer to my guide, and please make sure to route your phone by Magisk. Once you have done so, this is the Magisk app. Let me show you. And as you could see, I've currently routed my phone by Magisk. Once that is done, your next course of action is to install the LSPOS framework onto your phone. So let's not do that task as well. I made a separate guide and a video as well. You could refer to my guide or the video, or I will be installing it right in front of you as well. So let's now install Zydisk onto our phone, LSPOS framework. So for that, you have to root your phone via Magisk, which I already told you before. Then you have to enable Zydisk inside the Magisk app. So launch the Magisk app, tap on the settings icon in the top right, and enable the toggle next to Zydisk. It will now ask you to restart your phone. We will not do a restart now. We will do a restart after flashing a module. So let's now flash our module. So next up, you now have to grab hold of the LSPOS framework which correspond to the Zydisk release. So let me show you. You just have to open this GitHub page. It's the official download link for this module, and from here you have to scroll to the asset section and make sure to download the LSPOS which correspond to Zydisk. So download this zip file onto your phone, and once that is done, we will now flash this module onto our phone. So launch the Magisk app, then go to the module section, then tap on install from storage. Now select the LSPOS Zydisk version, and it will be, you will get a prompt on your phone. Tap on OK, and now it will be flashed. Once the flashing is done, just tap on reboot. So let's wait for a phone to boot up. Do keep in mind that once you flash a module, in some cases the boot up might take a few additional seconds. That's completely normal and nothing to worry about. It's only happen when you flash a module. So every time you flash a module, you might notice a delay of few seconds while the phone is booting up. It's completely normal and nothing to worry about as such. So let's wait for a phone to boot up, and then I will show you how to proceed ahead. Moreover, as of now, the module has been flashed in the backend, but in the front end, you will not get any app. So you will now have to install the APK in the front end. So as you could see, there is no LSPOS app in the front end. So you will now have to install this APK. Doing so is pretty simple. All you have to do is simply extract this zip file. The same zip file which you have just flashed onto your phone, you just have to extract it onto your phone as well. So let me show you. This is the LSPOS zip file that is released. Select it, and you could extract it using any file manager app of your choice. So I'm using the Me Explorer file manager app. You could extract it using any app of your choice, or you could also extract it onto your PC and then send the file to your phone. So I've done the extraction, and upon extraction, you will get all these files. So let me show you. This is the extracted LSPOS framework. Upon extraction, you will get all these files. You just have to install the manager.apk file. So this is the app. Tap on manager.apk and just hit install. And with this, we will now get the UI of the app as well. And with this, the app has now been installed. So just tap on open, and as you could see, the LSPOS framework has now installed completely, and it's now activated as well. So once that is done, let's now proceed ahead. So next up, we have enabled LSPOS framework. We can now proceed ahead, and next up, you have to download the GPS header app from GitHub. So open its official link and then go here, and you can download the app release.apk file. And once you have done the download, let's now install it as well. So let me now install the app. So this is the app release.apk. As you could see, simply install the app as you do so for any other APK file. Once you have installed it, simply tap on done, and then launch the LSPOS app. Now go to the module section and select the GPS header and enable the toggle next to the module. After that, you have to check mark the app from which you want to mock or fake the location. In my case, I'll be faking the location of the Google Maps app. So check mark it, and once that is done, you'll now have to restart your phone. This restart is compulsory, it's not optional. So please do a restart right now. So let me do that as well. So let's restart our phone, and upon restart, the module will be active, and then we'll show you how to spoof your current location. So the boot up might again take up a few additional seconds. That's completely normal and nothing to worry about. Let's wait for the time frame. So just to repeat what we have done till now, first we root our phone by Magisk, then we install the LSPOS app, and then we extracted the LSPOS module and installed the LSPOS APK file. After that, we have installed the GPS header app and enabled it in the LSPOS module. So let's now verify the same if the module is activated or not. So let's open the LSPOS app, and as you could see, if you go to the module section, the module is now up and running, and the maps is also enabled. So you now have to launch the GPS header app, and it's asking for the location, so select by using the app, and now you could choose any location of your choice. So as of now, let's take a stroll to the Central Park in New York. So let's select that and hit the green check icon as you could see in the bottom left. Tap it, and as you could see, the location has now been set. So let's now launch the Google Maps app and tap on the location icon over here. And as you could see, our live location is currently in the Central Park in New York, as you could verify from here. So we are currently in the New York, and you could now share the location with the rest of the users as you want. Likewise, let's now change the location to some other place. So for that, you just need to again launch the GPS header app and hit stop the current location, then hit the search bar. So you could also type in the location name or the longitude and latitude of the place as well. So currently let's go to Stonehenge. I guess it's in UK. So let's go to that place and tap on search, and it will now take us to Stonehenge in UK, and we are now in Stonehenge. So once you are there, just hit the start button and you could see the location has been set. So just for the sake of reference, let's now force stop the Google Maps app. It's not compulsory, but it's recommended. So let me force stop the Maps app, and now if I launch the app and check my current location, so as you could see, my current location is now in the UK in Stonehenge, right here. So guys, as you could see, you could now easily spoof or mock your current location. And if you want to revert the change, so all you have to do is simply go to the LS Post app, or simply you could launch the GPS header app and hit the stop button. But this the location is been unset, and now you will get your actual location. Likewise, you could also simply disable the module from the LS Post, and that will also do the job, and you will now get your original location back. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and guys, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks a lot for watching.